what is difference between abstraction and encapsulation in OOPS? So these are the OOPS pillars, okay, and abstraction is used to display the relevant information to the user and hide the system information from the user, which is not necessary, and also they may be complex, so it is not required to display that information to the user. But encapsulation is basically used to hide the information like the code and the data in a single unit like a class, and also their accessibility. That information can be accessed outside the class through the getter or the setter. So if I'm taking the real time example, so I'm displaying one website. Here you can see, so there is a multiple links there and also buttons. Okay, you can see here, this is the read more button. So to display this news in the website, okay, like this one, and one button to the user. So these are the relevant information to the user, and so this can be achieved through the abstraction part. Okay, abstraction means what are the information is displaying to the user. Okay, and so here you can see the news information, the image and title and description and this button to go inside to read more. Okay, but whatever the functionality written behind this button, means whatever the logic we have implemented behind this button, that part is basically the encapsulation part, means to bind the data inside a method or a class. Okay, so that is basically used by the encapsulation. Okay, so this is not required to display to the system user. Okay, but whatever display here, that is the part of the abstraction. So through the abstraction we can only show the relevant information to the user and hide the complex information from the user which is not necessarily required to the user. And encapsulation basically to bind the data inside a single unit. Okay, so to write to so like in this example, so if we have created a class, okay, and there may be multiple methods and properties and access modifier of that method. So these to combine that all the method and data in a single unit like a class. Okay, so so these are the things can I be achieved through the encapsulation. Okay, to combine the unit, and only that unit can be accessed to the getter or setter so that that access modifier can be used wisely. So these are the basic difference between these, and these both are the famous pillar of the OOPS, means oriented programming. Okay.